Wait, what? You have been making Word documents looks boring your entire life. This 30-second trick will blow your mind. Watch this boring text transform into something amazing. Look at this plain text. Look like every other document, right? But with just few clicks, boom, professional designer level text. Here is how to do it. First, select your text, click on text effect and typography. See this. Now, choose outline, set the outline color to maroon. Now go to font color and choose white fill. Your outline text is ready. But wait, there is more. Select your second text, go to text effect and select white. Also, remove the glow effect by selecting no glow. From here, you can easily change the outline color to anything you like. Blue, red, green, whatever match your style. Look at this transformation. Your document will never look boring again. Try this right now and comment mind blowing. Which color should I try next? Smash that subscribe button. I am revealing more hidden Microsoft secrets tomorrow. Thank you. See you in next video.